Hello, so I wanted to give a quick overview of my matrix benchmarking and visualization tool that I adapted this morning for Courtney's buffer alignment benchmark. So here we have the overall configuration where we tell the path where the binaries are compiled, and we say that currently we run on the local host. Then here we specify the properties of the matrix we want to execute. So here there will be 4 different binaries that will be executed with the different alignments, 2 matrix sizes, and 3 different values for the number of threads of OpenMP. And these properties, they are parsed here. So from the execution, I will receive the matrix size, number of threads, etc. And with a bit of Python code, I transform the properties into the proper command to execute Courtney's binaries, and I run it. And all of the execution will be controlled by the framework, and the result will be parsed and stored for offline analysis. So here, at the beginning, the purpose is to have distributed benchmarking. So in one computer, we launch the local agent in worker mode. That's this agent that will execute the binary. And it's waiting for the controller to connect on its port. And then here, I will run the matrix. So if I put it in dry mode, nothing is executed, but we see that 24 experiments were set up, and out of these 24, 23 were already recorded. I just deleted one to illustrate in the video. So now I run it not in dry mode, and the worker will receive the benchmark to execute. It will run it. It will take a few seconds, hopefully. And finished the execution. The results were reported to the control center. And now I can run the tool in viewer mode. So now we switch to the web interface, and here we can select what information we want to see. So let's say we want the 8-byte alignment only, and we want to see the total run time. So we see for 2 threads with matrix size 500, matrix size 1000, we've got these 2 results. If we want to see all the alignments, we've got this overview. So far, I only configured only parsed the total runtime and average runtime. In the average runtime, I parse the average time and standard deviation as computed by Courtney, and I give it to the tool who knows how to plot it with the gray area. So here, if I click here, I go to the specific record of this experiment. In the what I call the feedback message, we've got all the output of the application, plus some more messages about the parsing. The other tabs should be for information for graph coming from the execution, but so far there is nothing specific. For instance, I could print these 8 different values in another tab. And at the moment, only the runtime average time are read out of simplicity, but it would be very easy to parse also with perf the number of cache miss, and if we select multiple stats information, we've got 1, 2, or 3 graphs that can be plotted at the same time. For studying different aspects of the execution, there is a trick. When you click on the labels, you can change the order and the X and Y and legend properties. So if I click on alignment, we've got alignment sorting, matrix size in the legend, and the stat as X. Thank you. Bye-bye.